The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, on Monday informed that the Central University Entrance Test, which had been proposed by the University Grants Commission, will not be applicable in the state of Meghalaya. CONRAD SANGMA, who had earlier met Union Education Minister PRADHAN in New Delhi today, informed that a discussion on the same had taken place, wherein it was agreed upon that private colleges and state government-aided colleges of Meghalaya will most likely be exempted from following the new system of entrance exams for undergraduate and higher studies of the Northeastern Hill University.
We just finished a meeting with the Honorable Minister for Education, Government of India, DHARMENDRA, and I had discussed regarding the Central University entrance test issue, which is becoming quite a problematic issue for a lot of our colleges which are affiliated to NEHU back in our state. And when I expressed the concerns of the different students and the different colleges, the Honorable Minister was understood the issue, understood the problem, and a very positive response came from him, where they have agreed that there will be certain areas in which they will try to exempt some of our colleges which are not necessarily centrally funded, which are either privately or funded through the state government or aided through the state government. Those colleges will not have to give the exam. So we are waiting for a formal communication which will come in a day or two, but a very positive response, and we're hopeful that most of our students who are studying or who plan to study in these colleges which are privately run or are affiliated or are funded or aided by the state government, they will not have to appear for this exam. And so again, I thank the Honorable Minister for his positive response, and we will wait for an official communication from them to ultimately inform everybody about it.
Meghalaya's Education Minister Lakmen on Monday had also informed on the exemption of Meghalaya colleges from the Common University Entrance Test.
When the NTA has announced the date for the application of form for the Central University Entrance Test, with the notification that all admission into the Central University and its affiliated college should be based on the scores in that Central University Entrance Test. So after that, a series of meeting, communication with the central government to exempt the state of Meghalaya, because Meghalaya, most of the affiliated college, almost all the affiliated colleges are affiliated to the one single university, that is NEHU, which will find the problem as of now. So after a series of communication, and today in the afternoon, our Honorable Chief Minister met the Minister of Education in Delhi, where it is agreed that the state colleges, state-aided colleges will be exempted from this CUET. But for the college, for the course, even undergraduate course also, who are in the university itself, run, managed by the university itself, Central University I mean, they have to appear this CUET. So the example here, like the LLB 5-year course which run by the NEHU, that they have still to appear through CUET. Also other courses which run by the Central University itself or in their campus, as the case may be. So this is a big relief for the student of Meghalaya, where, as I mentioned time and again, that we are not ready, the mindset of the student, psychologically the student have not ready, and moreover that due to the absence of center everywhere, it is very difficult for the student. So I'm very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister today, and also to the Government of India through the Union Minister of Education, PRADHAN, that they have agreed to exempt this affiliate college or aided college or state college from this